The power of the dual battery Milwaukee string trimmer is outstanding. Definitely exceeded the gas power string trimmer.
Very powerful to get through very thick weeds, grass. It doesn't bog down.
It's definitely a lot faster than the gas trimmer. You got the power right there at the flick of a button.
Every other tool we have that's Milwaukee, the batteries go from one to the other. It's just fantastic how versatile the platform is.
Time is money, and the fact that I don't have to sit there and pull it over because it's flooded. I can just grab it and use it. There's a lot of things that can go wrong with a gas unit, and with the Milwaukee, I'm going to be more productive because it's just a solid built machine.